getting ready to put in our insulation. So we've stripped out everything and we're hoovering and cleaning, and when we took off all the plywood we found some rust, so we're putting some of that good stuff on there. So the universal primer.
Grinded it away first.
Yeah, we grinded it all off first with the electric grinder, and now just painting over it just to protect it.
We've got these rusty bits down here that we can't get to with a grinder, so we can't grind it off to put the anti-rust paint on, so we have to put paint on that can go straight onto rust, so hammerite. We've scraped away all the loose paint that we can find, and now I'm just going to paint straight over the top of it.
Okay, so we've finished covering up all the rust bits. I would show you every single little bit, but that would take an hour because it took so long. There were so many bits, especially on the door. It's basically covered in it, but we weren't making it pretty or anything because it's going to get covered by plywood and nice fancy looking stuff, so it doesn't really matter on the underside. But now we're just filling in any gaps that we have with the windows, covering this in masking tape first to protect it. This is the stuff we're using. No nonsense, general purpose silicone sealant in black. That's what we're going to use all the way around each of the windows, just to make sure, double sure, that no water is going to get in. These parts that came with the windows, we decided to recycle them, and we've put them in these really small gaps. So that's what that is, and then we've got some styrofoam, and then we filled it with all the expandable foam all in the gaps, just to see what was gonna happen, really, because yeah, we weren't sure, just experimenting. But it's actually, it looks alright. These bits as well. So we know how much the foam comes out after you put it in. Gonna finish the rest now. Okay, we've decided to just go for it today. So I'll show you what we've been doing actually. It's literally a case of getting measuring tape, measuring the inside and cutting it to size, which is what we've been doing out here. We tried this stuff but it's just too thick, so we've gone for this for now, and then we're going to use the thicker stuff on the side panels, like the bigger sections, those bits. Yeah, so we've cut little bits and we've stuck it all in. These bits we've put, where's the glue? We've put Gorilla Glue on. That's what we used to put them on, just stuck it on. And then we're holding it there with some tape just because they're quite loose, and it says on the packet to hold it with tape for at least 2 hours, so that's what we're doing here as well. And we're just going to do exactly the same for all of these panels, all the ones along there as well, and the ones on the bottom, and then we'll see about these ones. Stay tuned. We have finished one side.
One section of
One section
side.
of one side. Yeah, it's a work of art, I'd like to say. Not too bad.
Messy.
Yeah, it's a messy job. I mean, we really should have put something on the floor, but the foam stuff does harden, so we'll be able to pick that off the floor. But anyway, more importantly, this is getting done. So it is literally just styrofoam insulation put on by Gorilla Glue and then taped on to keep it stuck on and filled with foam.
Absolutely every single gap.
Yeah. Why?